What's up guys, it's roblox24 on your screen again, and if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now, you might be hearing some other voices in the background because I will have my friend on FaceTime. She just needs to call me back because her brother, I think, is in her room and she doesn't want him in her room. I might try and call her back now, but yeah. Right, I'm trying to call her back now, but let's go back. You can probably hear the ringing, I think. Well, today we are going to be playing some Minecraft, Roblox, and, no, let's not search it up, let's just go down. I found in here, I think. Yeah, Restaurant Tycoon. Let's play some more of that. FaceTime is unavailable, so she is still getting her brother out of her room. I think it's her brother anyway, but okay. While it's loading, I'm just gonna talk to you guys. Yeah, guys. Last video I said tell me what to do, expanded plot or the outdoor area. Now, I kind of went ahead and did the outdoor area, because I thought it would be like, oh, she's calling me back. Because I thought that it would be like a playground and that, so I bought that, but then it kind of wasn't. I'll show you what it was. What? Select? It didn't save? Are you actually kidding me? Yeah, KFC, load that one. Phew, it saved. Hello. What happened? Was it your brother? Thought so. I told YouTube. He attacked you. Yeah, I am. They can't hear you. Oh, because when I was on my screen recorder, get that away because my mom doesn't want that Facebook thing on. Yeah. So the reason why I thought you could hear me is because when I was getting it ready on Screenomatic screen recorder, is because why have I got no customers? Is my place closed? Open. Oh yes, now it's open. Now people are coming. All right. Yeah, but I can hear you. Well, kinda. Get these people their food. I want to be rich. I have 16 cash and 1 diamond. You can't. I don't know. Because diamond is like tips, like they're coins. And like the cash is notes. That's a good idea, but I swear that's so creepy. I can hear that. Yeah. Get out of my restaurant. What are you doing in here? Now I've got 36 cash. I guess you just got married, but you probably didn't. I'm so sorry. No, not you. This person. This game can get really boring, especially when you have no cash. I need cash, but I have no Robux. I am broke. Not in real life though, not in real life. Hello. Yeah, I do. I have it on the laptop. I do. Yeah, but I'm not that good at it, especially on PC, because my PC, no, my PC, it's glitchy, like it's all laggy. My PC, this one. So I can, as soon as I jump out of the battle pass, literally 2 minutes in, I have a gun. I press the shoot button, it doesn't shoot, and then I just get killed. Does his computer lag though? Yeah, I know, but some new computers. Oh, okay. Did he get a dog? Why? No. If it's a big dog, they are. If it's a small dog, they aren't. I don't know. No, it's the opposite. I need money. $61, thank you. Yeah, I know, but still, I'm broke. 39 and a tip. Oh. Yep. That's why I'm getting all close to them. Yeah, that's the mic. No, look at this. I love my customers. I love my customers. I love my customers. Don't judge. I love my customers. I love my customers. Do you know what I mean by that though? Oh, I might have some breakfast after this video. I have chocolate for breakfast. Is that bad? I have choco pillows. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Sorry, but I don't know what that is. Yeah. We did it every year. We did that every year. We do that every year. No, I've never got a letter in my life. I think I was underweight though. No, but in year one, I think I was underweight. Yeah. Me? I can show you a photo if I find it. After this video, maybe. I'm not really talking to my fans, like 2 fans. I'd love... What do you love? I'm waiting for the baklava. Oh yeah, guys, turn post notification on because I am a savage. No, because you know when I upload, because there's not really a set date because I'm always busy. As you know, I'm a male model and that. So no, but they already do. So I'm always like at castings and like all of that. So yeah, I'm at another agency though. I'm at something called Pineapple Studios. Have you actually? Oh my god, please don't. Please don't. Oh, I ache. Page up. Page down. Page up. Page up. Yeah, what? Yeah, so I try not to because I don't know how to beep stuff out because I don't have an editing program. No. I can on Screenomatic. I can edit them on that. How much? 66. Thank you. No, because when you said that, you weren't talking into your mic, but they might be able to hear you now. I don't have to. I just like to. Like Jake Paul doesn't have to. Guys, I don't watch Jake Paul anymore. Milkshake. I don't know. Guys, I'm done 12 minutes, but is she really though? Is she more famous than me? Thank you. That made me happy. You look like a robber. No, not you. This dude in here. Yo, there's twins! There's twins! There's twins! No. They're twins. Look. There's one there and one there. Look. One there and one there. They're twins. Hey, I never knew I had a twin, but like, yeah. Yeah. What's in the chat? Hello, hello. F off. F off. No, because it won't let me. Look what I wrote. Look what I wrote. No, I said that. One guy said hello. No, I don't know. No, they're just random people on this tycoon. Oh, hi, Malco. I don't know you, but still. They're not talking to me, though. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Oh, I've only got 30 seconds left of this video, guys, so I might as well end it here. Okay, guys. Oh, 248 cash, that's a good sign. So I'm gonna stop it here because I've only got 20 seconds left. But if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and turn post notifications on. And also, I'm not desperate, but like share this video with your friends and like it because it helps me out a lot. Thank you, goodbye.